Hello everyone. Welcome to one more video on finding whether there is only one occurrence of the character A or not. So in this video we are going to use the split method. A split method is actually a method with a string object which splits the entire string based on the separator character that you have mentioned as the parameter. So if I have mentioned the parameter as a, let's say I have a string. For example, this is what I've entered. Then if a is my separator, it would split this into one string and this into another string and put it as an array element. So I will have two array elements, one before the separator, one after the separator. So if I added, say, two A's, then I would have multiple splitting here. One element would be before the first A, one element will be between the two A's, and one element will be after the second A. So what I will do is I will look out for the separator and split it into array elements, and then I will find out how many elements have been obtained in the array. If it is exactly 2, which means one portion was before the search character and one portion was after the search character, meaning I got only 2 elements, then I will presume that there is only one A. Otherwise, I will make an assumption that either there are no A's or there are multiple A's. So how can we use the split? Say A dot split. Now, what is the character I am interested to search for? The character is A. So it will look for the character, and whatever is before it will be placed as one array element, and whatever is after it will be placed as another array element. Just to see how it goes, let me show you. Okay, so let me try and put it here. So you can see there are two splits. One is this is, and the second part is a string. So it has split this into one element and this into another array element. So B is actually the array. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what is the length of this array B. So a length is a property which works on the arrays as well, and it tells you how many elements are there in the array. So if n is exactly equal to 2, that means there were two splits. I can safely go ahead and say okay, so there's only one A. Otherwise, we can customize this by using some else if ladder and giving very specific outputs. So we can try this out. So in this one, I would have two splits, which means there was exactly one divider, and that means only one A was there, and there's only one A. Now, if I put this A, let's say at the end of the string, okay, so it still says there's only one A. If I put it in the beginning of the string, it is still going to say that there's only one A. Or what if I entered two A's? So in this situation, I'm going to have three splits. The first element would be this, my second element in the array B would be this, and my third element would be this. So the length of the array would be obviously not 2. So it will say there is not one A. Now we don't know whether it is 0A or more than one A, but I have just given you an example how to use the split to check whether the string contains exactly one A or not. Right, so we'll try and solve the same definition using another method in the next video. Till then, practice this out.